then you can go ahead and get started. But keep practicing for a few more minutes. And then remember, you can pause the video whenever you need. Yes, that's right. Practice a value scale tornado or 2 or 3 until you get how to do it. Dark to light. It's a nice gradient. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to start coloring with my colored pencils. I have my 2 colors selected. Now the way I'm doing this is almost the exact same way I did my tornado, except this time I'm trying to color inside the lines. So I'm pressing down very firmly and hard on the left to make sure my color is dark. In the middle, it's lighter, and there on the right, it's even lighter because I had less pressure. Now I'm going to fill in the little white spaces that were left between my lines, because it's hard to color perfectly when you're creating that color value. So you can go back over any white space that you might have missed. Now you want to skip a line and then do it again. So skip one line so it'll be white. And this time I'm sectioning off where I would like my darkest dark of my gradient to be. So that's the darkest dark. And now I'm going to practice having a lighter pressure as I get to the middle of my line, and then an even lighter pressure to the right. And then I'm going to color in any white space that I missed. All right, next line. And remember, you skipped one. So skip it, and then you're on your next line. Do your darkest dark over here on the left, and you can switch directions. Look, I went up and down with my color pencil. Now I'm going left to right, so that I can really fill in the space, because you want to make sure it's nice and dark. And then you want to make sure the middle is nice and medium, like a middle value, so you have less pressure. And now I'm going to do it again, skipping a line and then going down to the next one for my green. Same exact thing as before. You press down hard and then release some of your pressure so that the middle is lighter, and then the right closest to the light source is the lightest tint of your colors. So dark to light. Now the dark is the side that doesn't see as much light, and the light side is the side that does see the light. So you're going to see me here just sort of tidying up what I've done, sort of filling in some of the white. Okay, but you want to make sure it goes dark to light. So if for some reason it doesn't go dark to light and you need some more practice, what you can do is you can use your eraser on the right-hand side to take some color away. And then you can do what I'm doing and go back over the left side again to make it even darker so that you can find your gradient again.